Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've protected this 2019 Volvo XC90 with a Starline Pro. So a thief clones his key, hops in, tries to steal the vehicle, go to start it up, see it doesn't start. So what the customer will have to do to start this vehicle is either pair their phone up, simply hop in and start it as normal and they'll hear a melody, or if their phone's flat and they want to use a code, turn the ignition on. So on this vehicle it takes about 5 seconds to wake up. We recommend pairing to a phone. Now with that on, pop our disarm code in. We've set 1, 2, 3. Receive our disarm melody. Now we can start the vehicle up. Customer can choose the code on this between 3 and 21 presses on any supported buttons, so the code's entirely up to them, and upon installation we show you how to change that, and only you will know at the end. It can be a combination of multiple buttons, so it doesn't have to be the simple 3 presses we've done. It can be a combination of any buttons in any order you choose. As I said, this can also be paired to the phone, so you just hop in and start it as if nothing's changed. No need to turn the ignition on and do the code. Just foot on the brake, start it, you hear the melody because it sees your phone. This system also has a service mode, so when you take it back to say Volvo and they need to road test it or drive it around their workshop, you can pop it into service mode using the app with a simple press and hold. You'll get a green circle which then turns to yellow, which confirms it's in service mode, and at that point it'll act like a normal car. No need for a code or a phone to be present, it'll start up. Finally, with this, to rearm it, all you have to do, simply open and close the door. So normally you'd lock it, but if someone hopped in after closing the door, tried to steal it, system's armed, can't start the vehicle. We keep trying, you just see it won't start. See, so ignition on, code, melody and start. To get one of these installed on your vehicle, we're Immobiliser Fit. It's the Starline Pro system on a 2019 Volvo XC90. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.